Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain to you the new feature of one-click firmware upgrade. At the request of several customers relayed to us by countries and customer support teams, we have progressively improved the firmware upgrade feature in the software over the last few versions. However, the most significant improvement in reliability and performance of upgrade will come only at the end of 2019. This is when products will take into account some key improvements on their side. Meanwhile, EcoStruxure Power Commission software is trying whatever is possible on the software front. This feature is targeted to reduce face time for the customer while doing firmware upgrade. The user will be able to launch upgrade for multiple modules in one shot and then plan other activities in parallel if needed. This feature is enabled only for Schneider users. We are confident of the quality of the feature at a software level. However, we are taking extra precautions since it has not been validated by Breaker Systems team and the EcoStruxure Power System team yet. We would still appreciate feedback from countries and support teams for the next 2 months so that we can integrate it and launch it for the market using the feature. You can launch firmware upgrade as normally you do. Select the right communication channel. If you're connected via USB to the product, select serial option or add IP addresses for your IP connected products. Once you select the communication channel, enter the communication details and then click on show firmware details. You can also enter the communication IP in the form of a range and also the device address in the form of a range. You will be shown a firmware details summary page. Each item on the left is a device, and when you click on it, you can see the modules inside that device. For example, this MTZ device has the modules, the master packed MTZ trip unit, micrologic, and the IO modules IO1 and IO2, and the IFE module, which is the gateway. You can select what to upgrade at a module level or even at a complete device level or a select all feature for all the devices that you have discovered. As you select the modules, you will notice that there is some information popping up, which is telling approximate time it will take to upgrade all the modules. This time changes as you select or deselect the modules or devices. This should help you plan your activities accordingly during the upgrade process. The devices that are already upgraded, like this IFE here, are not selectable. Also, as part of this beta version, you will not be able to select SmartLink Modbus and COMEX for upgrade in this feature. When you have selected the modules you want to upgrade, you click on Next and you will be asked for password for each device. The password is validated as soon as you enter it so that a ready to upgrade symbol appears. Once all the passwords are validated, you can now launch the upgrade by clicking on Upgrade button. The software will upgrade each module one by one in a sequential order. Since this is a beta version, we are starting with a sequential upgrade process. We will switch to parallel at some point in the future. Each module upgrading is shown with the current step of execution and the approximate time remaining for this module. A warning sign is also indicated to tell the customer not to disconnect the power supply or the device during the upgrade process. If any upgrade fails at any point, the customer will be allowed a retry of the upgrade or even a repair of the module from the screen. In case you want to cancel all the upgrades, the software will only cancel the pending upgrades and continue the one which is happening. This is to ensure there is no loss of function in any module. This is the feature of one-click upgrade. We plan to launch it in the market in June end release of EcoStruxure Power Commission. For the September end release, we are working with product teams to improve performance and reliability even further. Thank you.